pemut Brio ki basa Klan yin kan san Kim don kabam kadi Kim don manu ban pet yaki Tip ma I pastor Manoj I shem nya ki bukum kita ki Brio Na ki road ki kian na ki surak ki sengkian Na basyak kian ki kulet Na basyak syuk ki Brio Na bakisang ki please bezar Kile ki kam auria ke jumki kile ki kam basniu ke jumki kile ki kam dokper lai hujat ka ba manga ba loki ba society ba kawai nilom la ban priang ke kata okey te kai ke bangala ban ongi fi por dalam bang kini ki brio hangi ki self support dal dia dia ki shu ngama ban tip kumnu ki la ban pem ya dia kaman ki haban bang ka jingbang ka ba ki haban bang Kajang kecur, kado, lani kanu ka jimbang ka bangi ban bam bangi yo ban em. Hispa lai pemut ban sai ki. Ipaso Manoj marwe in hapan yan ak tim ka ba. Dan kapsu kan ningut kibayasan ran lagi. Hanrai manu banjarap ing hukum kita. Ti session ni kan kubor ba. Baralong bala sawan ban pek hi lagi ya kan ni cakap. Bat ngan selam pi syakawi ka cakap kabasa kini ki parlok dengan ni. Pin sa su sang sot baba pin I agar kum tak la jongki agar kum tia kum dam jongki bat ngan ong tang gawe la refiran ke mensi menyerap sa snap tu ka ik ba blame dam kran po jongki rishi pon
हम बात करें
नहीं हाँ आप भी बोलिए
ngaran hang ni ha jaka po law mali hadin juga NIFT office ma ti ngaran hang ni bi pastor Manoj ya Namaste. Pastor Manoj, can you just tell me a brief, a little bit of, briefing to the public who will be watching this video? Like, how are you running this place, this homeless, the place for the homeless?
Okay. So first of all, I like to thank God because He's the one enabling me to run this one. Otherwise, without His help, we will not able to do this. So it has been now more than 8 months now. We are feeding especially the homeless and the drug addict. So it started like this. During the lockdown, we are in prayer and fasting. So for 21 days. But the first day when we fasted, so that time the God spoke to me, and now what will happen for the homeless people, because the beggar, the homeless, because the soap and the most of the shopping mall they are closed. So we started this ministry with the 10 kg rice to feeding the homeless from municipal. So from there, like it's been more than 8 months now. So we are looking after around 130 homeless people every day. So lunch we used to provide, and clothes, and sometimes we do the medical also, and we provide this counseling. And I really thank God. Many those who are drug addict, most of them they are changed now. Not only changed, some of them they took water baptism also. So totally this ministry run by the people really, especially for the God's people. They used to help us with the rice and the donation. So the future, the vision the God has put us in our heart, to buy land, and especially for this homeless people, for the old age home, and for the drug addict people. So this ministry will start from Shillong, and near future planning to study in Guwahati also. Then slowly will spread to all over India. And this ministry especially for the homeless people, those who are not having house, and addict people, those who are especially the broken families, rejected by the society. So the motto of this ministry to restore the broken lives of the people, just to establish the God's kingdom. So we need your support, we need your prayer. If you help us more, we'll able to, build more people's life. So serving human beings is serving God. This is what the Bible says. Jesus said, I was naked, you clothed me. I was in prison, you came and visited me. I was hungry, you fed me. So this is the word really touched me, and really God has put His burden to carry out this ministry in Shillong to all over India. So your small contribution, a small help can bring lots of change in the people's life, especially those who are homeless. So thank you so much.
Don't stop. Actually, why did I came here, Pastor? You know that, right?
Yes.
Why did I came here? Actually, I'm a business person. I'm doing my works on a business, on a daily basis.
Right.
Actually, at this moment, one of my friends, he came and visit my office. Actually, I told him that in 10 minutes I'll be back, because the Dorbashnong has called me that one guy has been caught from the nearby place, okay? One guy has been caught from there. So that guy is, come on. Ong hai like. So Pastor will explain to you, okay, what he has explained to Pastor. Actually, I just brought him here because Pastor, he's a very good friend of mine. We stay in the same place in Dhorba. No, you stay in Dhorba, Pastor. I sleep in Thorba. So this guy was caught from one place. Nainam, Lila ish tu. You just listen to him. Listen to him. Lila ish tu siapa? Per Gibril, siapa yang Gibril?
Scott.
Cuma Lila no?
Scott.
Muli tu Scott. Okay. But you know, balik tu Scott. Nak ikat daun, ngatip baru hai ngitip kata. Balik ngihap bantu Scott. Balik ngihap bantu. You know that very well. My friend, all my friends here, you just take a video of all of baru. Kini baru kita nak kata galakan usah. Kini baru kita nak kata galakan. Pak ini ba mencis ni dawan rak ki pulet ini mensini kong. Kiyo shwan lam na po surat sekian. Okay, come from this side. Come from this side. Pastor, now you can tell to everyone who's looking here. Kaya sangat mentan ya request ni pastor. Iran marway ya kani ministry Iran marway. Kidan ki parlok ki bishia rapi, bayrak tang banyak kali, ki bayrak tang tiang pastor, right? Like that, right?
Yes.
They just helping you like for assisting the
Right,
you know
right,
to meet somebody in one place and then for driving a vehicle.
Right.
Some of them are government officials. They are volunteering themselves. Kata rukim diki kasi. Mind that. Ni emo po shilong, ni dan po shilong, ni dan ki mani ki behe, ni dan ki social worker ki ba borok ki jakang ni dan. Ni tep kata. Tang ba. Ngamben ni gum kita, ngamben ni kita. I pastor ile ye kani kakam. Irong sikin dong kin surat. Irong sikin dong surat. Nang tare phila bantep ni pastor kat nung ki basang ni. How many people are staying in this place, pastor?
He has 74.
74.
Yes.
Yeah, and the other side,
Other
Rhino
side, Rhino is 19 and municipal is 26.
Yeah. Then total will come to how much?
Like more than like 120. Like
120.
120,
Yeah.
130 like.
Lara kat tanggut. Plai gitu. Mentan ka kamera sejak plai gitu. Kumunu ben besai, si spa ar pangut, si spa lai pangut ki brio ha ka sini. Himsan ai lara shumudur mafi lar. Shumudur mafi. Lara gidan tah ga yinga samru. Bangin haban besar. Right? Ngatip buan na prang jumpi kidan ka kam gajam ka babet babiang. Ngarung-ngarung ka kam gajam ka babet babiang. Hawa ni haban durut ha ka jengem. Henry san elam. So san elam ni pastor ba ka ministry jung i. I haban besar kini kena. Kidan na prang jumpi ki bastam kidan na pi bapang manu ban pek kita. Pek uni kena alisha nga poi li sini nga ong pi. Nga poi li sini. Ngawanya lam uni namal bo sabat ka senong. Usabat ka senong ti ban ai shi pula tu nlek mno tilangnya. Kebor ka an kelek kat nu kan yibum pi. Ba ne piong no. Ti mentang kai ga bangin kam kalong ba. We have to change our mindset to ni. We have to change our mindset. Ngim dai ban pistom, ngim dai ban lek ben, ngim dai ban lek kho. Ni di benda ni kan mensim banyak trailang hapok ka, em lang ka sana. Tang kata nak ko ban ong. Kuleshi pun.
Okay, thank you.